Greetings! This video will describe the process of how to install Boss CarPlay Stereo into 2002 Mitsubishi Montero Limited. First of all, we have to remove the trim. There's two screws at the top of the LED display and then a little bit of prying and pulling and it comes off. We have to move the heating, the thermostat down and remove the CD changer in order to fit the tuned-in stereo. The next thing is to remove the center console, and you have to start from the armrest, move cup holders, and kind of move your way up towards the dash in order to get those components removed.
Well, this is fun. Which wire should I cut?
Exactly. So to get this job done, you'll need to buy a harness that you'll see on the screen. I'll put the link in the description. But that pretty much color-coded pretty well. There's instructions on the back. I'll also put a diagram on the screen that you can reference. But those two, between the two, you can pretty much figure out what needs to be spliced. And the rule of thumb, you just splice all the wires that are on the harness. You're not going to use all the wires that are on the stereo. Before you begin this work, be sure to unplug the battery terminals. In this case, plug them back in when you're ready to test, and look at that, we got the lights that came up, it works. So next thing is USB ports. I decided to go with this extension and just plug the wiring from the stereo and route it through the cigarette ashtray. Since I just removed it, I'm not going to use it, so I mount that in there, and that's kind of how it turned out. And with this unit, it's one for CarPlay and one for charging. Well, the time has come to put everything back together, pretty much in the reverse order of installation. There'll be a few connectors that'll have to plug in. Specifically, there's one underneath the shifters panel. And there you have it. This pretty much concludes the installation. Thank you for watching. Explore and conquer.